today I'm gonna be making a video using Windows 98 SE. Are you hooked up now? Do you need any more retention editing? So the emulator right now that I'm using is PCEm. It's emulating a PCEm 2 with 256 megabytes of RAM. So here I have Vegas Pro 4.0 as the video editor and Cam Studio as the screen recorder. I've tried Classic Cube, which is a Minecraft kind of knockoff clone thing for incompatible hardware. I know Minecraft is possible on this Windows version, but I couldn't get any game to work, so I'm just gonna start video recording, and let's just set up the settings for this. Video options, just 15 frames per second, because that sounds about right, with the 30% quality, and should be okay. The audio, unfortunately this emulator does not support audio input, so we'll just start recording. So I have finally recorded the video, so now we'll just call it screen. Okay, so here we have our video player, and the quality actually looks okay. Let's see how the frame rate is. Oh, look at those graphical glitches. So it looks horrible, so that's great. We want horrible looking things. Now it's time to open up Vegas 4.0. Now this isn't pirated, unfortunately, and I'm just gonna be running the demo version. I don't know how much it lasts, probably 30 or 60 days. 30 sounds more accurate. So this is 4.0E specifically, made in 2003. Wow, that's old. Oh, come on, you can do it. Oh no. Let's just do draft auto. So open. We've saved it on the desktop, so let's click on screen and click open. Oh, look at that crusty video preview. Oh my days. Now first of all we have to save the file, so we'll go to that, and then again I like to dump everything in the desktop because more stuff on the desktop looks pretty cool. Let's call it epic edit. Click save. No! I didn't mean to cancel. Sure, let's leave it called untitled. Are you gonna advertise me the full version? Saving is disabled! You can't save! So this is gonna be just a one-time instance. Oh, I don't even have music ready. Alright, so now it's time to import some files in with a really difficult way. So we'll go right click on the Windows icon, click disk management, click action, attach VHD, browse for our VHD because the virtual hard drive is saved as a VHD. Now it's mounted. Now we can go select a background music. Here you can see my entire library. Should do something that kind of fits with the time. So now we're just gonna cut the song and then just get it over to our beautiful virtual hard drive. Let's paste it directly to the root. See, 1980 files, that looks crazy. And now we can eject our virtual hard disk. Boom. Go back to our virtual machine. Where is it? PCEm, and then PCEm.exe. Click the play button. Back to our stupid Vegas Pro 4.0E demo that refuses to save these stupid files. Now if I used VMware or VirtualBox, this would have been way faster, but this is more like emulating the speed as if it was on the actual hardware. Now we should add an audio track. This proves that Vegas Pro has barely changed over the years. I have Vegas Pro 15 and it's pretty much the exact same. Now we should go to our C. Now we see, okay, so this scrolls horizontally. That's always strange. There you go, there's our music. Building peaks. I can't imagine how long this will take. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sure, let's not make this too long, so drag it there. Let's see if we have the exact same controls. Let's click S, and S still splits. Wow, that is so sad. Let's try to make like a keyframe. We can right click, video event, pan and crop. Oh, this is so slow. There's the keyframes! There's actually no way! So we'll add a keyframe here and then one over there. I'm not gonna disable resampling because that just makes it funny. So now let's try to zoom in, and there you go. We have a keyframe. Insert video track. Now let's insert some text. Thank you very much. Let's do draft because preview auto would be really slow.
Look at that crispy quality.
So insert text event. Oh my days. No. Hurry up. Ah, my days. Simple text! It's that traditional Arial one.
Windows 98.
And let's add some video effects. Or transitions. Here we have our transitions. Look at those crispy stuff. So let's get a cheap 3D animation because that's always funny. Tumble in and we'll add that. Thank goodness I have graphics drivers. That would have been so horrible to not have them. Now let's add some video effects. Oh, there we have our audio peaks. Pretty much the exact same stuff we have now. And that is so sad. 100% black and white. I can't believe we're actually able to add a green screen. Although there isn't something to actually extract the color, but let's do a blur amount because that's very Vegas Pro-ish. I don't know how many video layers this can actually support. And then we're gonna add our media generators and we'll add this one. And look at that, we have ourselves an epic green screen. So now let's try speeding up this clip. So if we hold control is in... Okay, really? Vegas Pro really hasn't changed after all these years. That is just so miserable. So in total, our video is like 49 seconds long. It is time for the epic moment. The rendering. Let's go to render add and see what templates we have. I don't know if this is interlaced render loop region only. That's a big mistake. Found in documents. Let's not make it too hard again. Let's go to desktop. Epic video. Yes. What are the settings? Video rendering quality. Good. We want best. What settings do we have by default? Ooh, it's interlaced and it's 30 frames per second. I want this to sound bad. Sample rate, let's shrink it. The bit depth is 12. How were we getting PCEm uncompressed? Damn, that's crazy. Let's keep it stereo because we love stereo. Now let's go to save and let's see how long this takes to render. Why is there a cross here? Look, the approximate time left is just only increasing. Meanwhile, we get no sense of progress. Oh my days, this is stuck. I can't cancel it. I can't click anywhere else. Nice, just what I wanted. And when I try to even force stop it, despite all the progress, it doesn't stop. Alright, so I've remade an entire other edit and now let's just hope that it exports. Oh my days. Wow, I really have nothing to do. Default template uncompressed. Like hell. Video rendering quality. Draft. See the frame rate. I mean the original video only has like 14 frames per second. Video format. Widescreen Microsoft Video. Cinepack codec. Interleave. Sample rate. Skadoosh. Bit depth. Skadoosh. I've just really gotta focus on the video and make sure it's not too much. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to be patient. So, I guess I'm just gonna have to wait. Okay, so that other video also didn't want to get exported. So I just remade an entire one that is just like 2 seconds using some extremely low settings. The file format I saved it in is WMV, which is like Windows video kind of thing, at some obnoxiously low settings like 144p, I guess 12 FPS, and the horrible bitrate and the horrible audio quality. So now all we have to do is just get that video and just get it to the actual computer rather than the emulated machine. So once again, right click Windows icon, disk management, action, attach VHD, browse, click open, okay.